As you can see, the work is going on right now. This is the flooring stage, and as you can see, they are trying their best to do the flooring to a level that floor drain will be able to flow out the waste from the pig, even the water, everything will be able to flow out. Yeah, as you can see, they finished this one, and if you look at it straight from here, you see that it's slant towards that side where we have the floor drain, so that when the attendant is washing the pen, he or she won't need to stress his or herself too much before the waste will move to the gutter, then to the soccer pit where the waste will finally be. And the work is still ongoing, and by the grace of God, when we are done, we'll show you the complete job.